why you need 1 billion tokens of Tectonic. Now, Tectonic, we all know we're talking about Tectonic because Tectonic is one of the best new crypto coins. Tectonic still have about 6 zeros at the time of recording this video. Now, with the 1 billion coins, you are on your way of making a lot of money with Tectonic. Now, the reason why Tectonic is still good is because Tectonic is being listed already on the crypto.com, it's been listed on VVS Finance, and it's been listed on other two crypto coins, the crypto exchange. But one good thing I love about Tectonic is the fact that the developers have actually released a project, a list of projects which they want to follow, which they want to make sure they will accomplish before 2025. Now, with that project can push the price of Tectonic to really increase in price. Now, the project is going to attract communities, new Tectonic holders and traders, okay? Now, partners and exchangers. Now, if Tectonic can be listed on Coinbase and then Binance, wow, it's going to be a wow, because people are going to make a lot of money. Remember, whenever Binance lists a crypto coin, expect between 20 to 40% rise in price, and then from there onward, that coin will keep gaining more community, and that coin will keep gaining more rise. Okay, now Tectonic has been listed on crypto.com, which make it more beautiful. Now, crypto.com is not an exchange you just underlook. Yes, they have over 17 to 20 million customers globally. Now, with a 1 billion coins on Tectonic, you can really make a lot of money, because if Tectonic loses just 2 zeros, then expect the price of Tectonic to massively increase in price. Now, one thing is that if Tectonic can reach the current price of Shiba Inu, remember Shiba Inu is still traded with 4 zeros. Now, if Tectonic can reach the current price of Shiba Inu, your $1 billion, your 1 billion coins is going to make you a lot of money. Okay, you are going to become rich with 1 billion coins of Tectonic. But someone that have like 10 million or 5 million coins might decide to wait to make more money. Not that you're not going to make some money, you will make some profit, but 1 billion is a whole lot. But remember that you can still invest whatever you wish to invest, whatever you can afford to lose. Do not invest money in crypto industry and then anything that happen. This is crypto industry we are talking about. Okay, crypto industry is an industry you don't know what will happen next, so anything can happen. Please, whatever you are doing in crypto industry, do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Do not invest money that you need for health, money that you need for a major project. Okay, crypto industry is not a fast quick get rich. All you need is patience. Now, with Tectonic, we need patience. Okay, let's hope that by 2025, Tectonic must have gained so many communities. In fact, with 6 zeros, let's say Tectonic loses 2 zeros, of course, we holders are actually going to make good return on investment with Tectonic. So once again, remember that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.